it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. They've got for you Ducati 959 Panigale. Beautiful is this, and some lovely extras on it. And best of all, we've remapped it on our dyno, so it's running beautifully. They come with ABS, they come with traction control, engine braking control, Quickshifter, power modes. An absolute awesome bike. So 2017 on a 66, done 3,659 miles. It's got some R&G rad guards down the front, a slightly upgraded screen like a race screen on there, a bigger screen, full digital dash. You've also got the Austin Racing pipe. We do have the standard, that hideous one that comes up the side, but if that's your thing, you can have that. Evotech tail tidy, and a little Ducati Performance tank protector. No expense spared, full LED backlight. They are mega cool, are these. We'll give it a start for you so you can hear the pipe. Does sound well, does that? A lot easier to ride on the road than the sort of bigger brothers. They're a bit of a handful, so these are a lot more usable. So be quick, come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.